anybody else have a drive-through Jamba Juice? A drive-through Jamba Juice. If you got that, comment down below. Never seen it before besides here. What's good, YouTube? Bobby Thrift back again, checking out another Ross. Hopefully find something good. Won't know till we get inside. If you like what you see, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? First, we'll take a quick glance through the women's section. I'm gonna leave my cart here. Bare is all. Has anybody ever sold Goodyear boots? Third video in a row. Seeing these again. $29. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I do think they are pretty dope. It's not for me, but if you've picked them up and sold them before, let me know. Pretty dope features to them, you know what I mean? I looked them up before and I couldn't find them. Some more Vans for the ladies, $32. Not really sure about these either. We got some women's hoops 2.0 UTX for $45. Some pretty good quality. It looks like the leather might not be bad, but I've never seen this before. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? So this location is pretty big also. I haven't been here in a very long time. So we're just gonna look through and see what we can come across. Of course, the same situation. The active tops for men and women, men's shoes. We just saw ladies' shoes. Let me go check out the shoes really quick and then we'll come back to the active tops. So this is all we're seeing when it comes to the shoes. Not very much. Slim pickings. Maybe we got some Adidas right here. $13.99 for these. I'm so good on cleats, so I'm leaving those alone, but you might like that. Yeah, so they've consolidated the men's shoes so much. Not bad. Lakers shorts. Here's some more shoes here. Briefly take a look to see if there's anything that catches my eye. New Balance slides. You got men's Feelers for $14.99. I don't dabble with the Feelers. Moro, okay. $13.99. We got some Under Armour slides. $35 is the tag there. They want $25 for them. Some Crocs, $29.99. Let me see what these slides are going for. So I scanned them and they pop up, but it says restricted. That's unfortunate. Really good ranking. Amazon's selling it anyway, so whatever, we'll leave that. We got some hats on clearance, $5.49, $5.99, you know. If it's not a Nike or Under Armour hat for me, or a regular Adidas, I'm not messing with it. This is Adidas original, $11.99, so I'm falling back from that. Not much going on in the hat section either. I mean, we talked about it. Things have been slim, but you just got to expand your horizon, check out more things, and see if there's more things out there that you can grab if your normal things aren't in the store. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead over here and look at these games and see if there's anything possible. And then we also got the women's active still to check out. Now, this is something that's weird because I bought this before, and there was like a mix-up that I had on FBA, and I'll explain. So one thing that I will be starting, like I said, is my membership, giving advice or you know information on doing FBA with Amazon. I'm not a pro, but I am learning a lot, and I have a few people that I talk to that know a lot also. And one thing that I will suggest is that you always print out your own labels. Sometimes Amazon says they'll take the manufacturing barcode, but you want to double check and make sure and put your barcode on it too, because I had an issue that happened where I think they mixed up my inventory with somebody else's. Because I always send my stuff in a certain way and sealed, but for a long time I wasn't sending everything in with a barcode. So when that happens, if there's ever an issue, sometimes they might just grab the same product from somebody else's and you might get blamed for it. So that's one reason why you always want to use your own barcode and not just the manufacturer barcode. And it happened with me with this game right here. And to be honest with you, the issue will resolve, and they realized that it wasn't my inventory. So that little threat that I had, that shit went away. So let's go ahead and look at this one though, because I did sell this before. I just don't remember what my profit was on it. But I did sell this on Amazon. Okay, at the time I sold it, it didn't require an approval, and the profit margin's not even there for me anyway. Okay, beer game on clearance for $6.49. Let's see if I could do anything with that. Okay, the Good Game Company Epic Beard Game. Ranking is 180K, that's not bad. Amazon is selling it. They want $6.99 for it here. Amazon wants it, so there's not much profit for me. We're gonna go ahead and leave that alone. I hate when they do this. When they put their barcode over the manufacturer barcode, that sucks. Shout out to the Ultimate Warrior. So like I said, man, it's always good to look into other things. Now, I sold something like this before. Like I sold them push-up bars, but I just don't like the profit on them now. But this one is not bad at all. We're gonna hold on to that and let's go see what else we can find. So now we are at the women's active tops and jackets, all the way down here and on the other side. So we're gonna check that out and see. And of course, I'll show you what I come across. I saw this from a distance and was hoping this was something. Oh, it is Under Armour. Okay, so pull this to the side. $12.99. Retail tag is $65. I like the color of the tee. Let's go ahead and scan it and see what comes up. And it does come up when we scan it, which is dope. 5 million is the rank though. Amazon's also selling it for $23. That doesn't look like it's anything for me. Not at all. Not at all. I would make $1.73. After shopping at the Dollar Tree, I'm gonna have to leave it alone. Would you guys have scooped that and tried to sell it for more, even though Amazon was on it? Have you sold it for more? Because this thing does look pretty cool, but I'm done going with what looks cool and only going with what is cool. You know what I mean? As far as what's gonna make money. If it's gonna sit for a minute, I'm not trying to do that. $2.99 for that. New Balance. Okay, if I see, I don't want to bore y'all. If I see something, I'll let y'all know. This UGG sweater does look pretty mean. Like, look like it would be worth something. Retail tag $128, and they asking $40 for it here. Not bad. Uggs, you gotta be ungated in for Amazon though. I like this New Balance jacket also. For the ladies, what is the retail on it? $12.99. Let's see what else. Got this purple Under Armour, 21 bucks. The original retail tag is not on there, or it's not on here, so we gotta leave it alone. It's two of them. 49 for 21. That's not good enough for me. Came across this Adidas jacket, 22 or 29 for 50. I don't like there's no real meat on the bones, but let's scan it because if there's people who have it listed higher, then we might have to scoop it up. Let me see. Boom. If it don't come up, then we're leaving it. Drum roll, drum roll. It does. 27K. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. That's a good find right here. Somebody got it up there for 70 bucks. Okay. They want $30 for it. Let's go like that. $21 profit with that. So this is actually the second good find of the day. Let's go ahead and run this. Put this in our cart too. So far we got the Adidas warm up and, oh, 2 Adidas items. Let's go. Okay, so looking around after, oh yeah, we chilling out. Shout out to everybody. Got the old Yeezys on, you know what I mean? But after looking around, we're gonna go ahead and check out the men's section now, because after looking through the women's section and the men's shoes, we didn't see anything yet. And sometimes it's just like that. Looney Tunes tee is pretty dope. Made me think about Toon Squad, but it's just a Looney Tunes tee. Pretty dope. Shout out to TLC, one of the best female groups ever. All right, let's go ahead over here and check out the active tops. And since it's so dry, let's go ahead and check out the active bottoms too, if it's something over there, you know what I mean? But I'll go ahead and look through and see if we find something. If we do, I'll let y'all know. It's not looking good, y'all. Okay, this is fire. I actually got one of these shirts before and sold it on eBay for like 19 bucks. I'm not even gonna lie. Shout out to Shawn Michaels and Steve Austin, man, for real. Under Armour, $12.99 for 24. We'll leave that alone. Let's go dive over here and see. That's not looking good either. Baseball Adidas warm-up. I mean, I probably would have left it anyway, but I do hate when they don't have the original retail tag. I can't take it, you know what I'm saying? Even if I wanted to. Indians. Okay. All right, this is the last section. We got that over here. We'll dive through a little bit, but this is the last section. Texas Rangers. I looked it up before. Texas Rangers Nike tee. It didn't do well for me. 35 for $14.99. Nah, we'll leave that. Shout out to Albie Shore in the background. I think that's Albie Shore, right? Under Armour, $14.99 for $50. Let's take a look at this and see. I like the way this looks. Colorway is pretty dope. Material is nice. 14 for $50. Let's go ahead and scan this and see what they're talking about. Can you come up for me, your boy? Does not pop up. It's unfortunate. So we're gonna leave it, man. As much as I would like to take this, probably do good on eBay for shits and giggles. Let's go ahead and look up eBay. On eBay, they got it listed for 32 bucks. Let's see if any of them sold though. Nothing sold. See, that's 2 double whammies, so we're leaving that alone. Even though it looks nice, gotta leave it alone, you know what I mean? Okay. Okay, on a bigger and tall side, $24 for this one. Retail tag is $130, that's why it's $24. You guys know I'm kind of a sucker for jerseys. I try them out and see what's up. I mean, if this don't look good, then we're gonna leave it alone. $25 for $130 though. I like those marks. Hopefully it could pop up on Amazon. And it does not pop up on Amazon. Unfortunately. It does pop up on eBay and too. Okay. Okay, let's see. One sold for $53. A little under a double up after fees and taxes and all that stuff. What would you guys do? Yeah, do me a favor, comment below if this is a shirt that you guys will pick up with those margins on eBay. Let me know what you guys do. I think I'm gonna leave it, but I would love to know your feedback in the comments below. Please find this tee. I looked it up. It did not come up for me. $60. Wasn't really worth it anyway. $19.99 for $60 was pretty cool. And then Fitzpatrick. Look at this big ass jersey. On clearance for 27 bucks. I can't really sell NFL merch like that, so we're gonna leave this one too. So after looking through everything, this is what we came across. Now, there ain't no time to complain. I will be going to other locations today, and that is what it is. But you guys saw me go through this whole store, and I found 2 good items that I'm comfortable with that I'm gonna take. Like I said, going to other areas to try to find more things to sell. But out of everything that I'm comfortable selling, this is all I'm going home with. It's just these 2 items, but it be like that sometime. Continue to grind. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your feedback in the comment section below. So like I said in there, man, it is getting kind of crazy. You know, you got to go to more locations. That's all you got to do is just visit more locations in one day, and you might be able to find some good stuff. 2 things. After going there for about a good 30 minutes in there, maybe 35 minutes. I didn't time myself fully, but it was about a good 30 minutes in there. It is what it is. Just got to continue to grind. Lower your prices, which is what I'm doing. I'm trying to lower my prices on what I do have listed. Trying to get things moved because I got more things that I'm trying to get. But yeah, man, give me your feedback, of course, in the comment section below. It's your boy, Bobby Thrift. I appreciate you guys. We're going back in, so, man, hopefully you guys can watch the videos that I drop every day, every other day, man. All right, peace.
Perfect.